In this video, I'm going to show you how you can join the official Battlefield 6 Discord server. Before we dive into the video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more Battlefield 6 content just like this. So the first thing that you're going to want to go ahead and do if you want to join the official Battlefield 6 Discord server is actually close out of Discord and open up a web browser of your choice. It doesn't necessarily matter which web browser you open up. I'm going to use Google Chrome for this. But you can use really whatever you would like, and you can also do this on a mobile device if you don't want to do it on like a PC or a laptop. After opening up your web browser, go ahead and type in Battlefield 6 Discord and then hit enter, and it's going to take you to a page that looks something like this. Now you will have a few different options here. The top option is going to be the official invite for Battlefield and Battlefield 6. There is other Battlefield 6 communities, but the official one is the base Battlefield one. So go ahead and select that top invite just like so, and it's going to take you to a page that looks like this and immediately redirect you into Discord. Simply go ahead and hit accept right here, and you will have to go through, customize your roles, and then finally read the terms of service up at the very end. After reading the terms of service, you'll be able to see all of the chats and different channels and be able to talk with other people in the community. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. And before you leave this video, make sure you like it and subscribe to the channel. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.